Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the frequently asked questions on the Notewise application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the left bar at the screen, and if you want to check the frequently asked questions, just go to the lower left corner of the screen and you can find the question icon. Click that, and in this site you can find the different options. For example, tips for taking notes, and you can find different questions, topics, and if you click that you can read the info. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.